Hey guys, we are gonna get this party started with 15 minutes all about our core. I've put together some of my personal favorite ab and core exercises, and I'm excited to see what you think about them. So we have 15 minutes, you don't need any equipment, but we are gonna be on the ground, so if you need to adjust your computer or wherever you're watching, just make sure you have somewhere comfortable, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so don't hate me, but we're gonna start in a plank position. Now I'm just gonna cue you through all of these movements and I'll count you down through them. So we'll start in our plank. So meet me right here. Push your shoulders down, soften in the elbows, pull your abs in. This is our first set of movements. You're gonna tap your right foot out, you tap it in, you draw your knee in, you send it back. Do that again. Right foot out, in, knee comes in, you set it back. Little tap, bring it center, crunch in, and reach. So you want to keep your hips nice and quiet here. You should already start to feel your core warming up. It's a full body workout, just focusing in on that core. Take it out, take it in, exhale, use your breath, shoulders down. 4 more, breathe, crunch, good. Last 3, and squeeze. Last 2, keep those hips low, make it your best. Last one right here, tap, center, crunch, and reach. Release your knees down, give those shoulders a little roll out. Whew, are we warm already? All right, our second little section, we're gonna skip our second side, we'll get back to it. I want you to place your right hand flat on your ground, you're on your right knee, and your left leg extends nice and strong. Take that left arm over your head. These are your 2 moves. You're gonna tap, we lower, then you're gonna draw the knee in, send it back. Do that again. Tap, reach, crunch, and reach. So you're squeezing your oblique, and then exhale, squeeze through the center. Keep your shoulders pushing away from your ears. Yes, maybe a little soft bend in that supporting elbow. Breathe in. Really important to connect to our breath when we're working our core. We have 2 more like this. Crunch it in and reach. Last one. Woo. Good. And take a breath. Good. Bring yourself back up. Roll out those wrists. We're gonna head into that plank, this time with our left leg. So when you're ready, meet me there. We're in that high plank. Pull your abs in, push your shoulders down, squeeze it tight, left foot taps. Here we go. We tap it out, we tap it in, knee crunch, extend. Tap out, then in, knee crunch, extend. Tap it out, squeeze it in, crunch in, and lower. Keep that soft bend in your elbows. Don't forget your breath. Out, in, squeeze. You're almost there. This is 4. Squeeze in. This is 3. Woo! And in. Last 2, you got it. Out, squeeze that core up and away from the ground. Last one, out, in, squeeze, and send it back. Nice, shake it out. All right, we're gonna head back into our second side of those side planks. So this time your left hand presses down and your right leg reaches long. Send that right arm overhead. We have that tap to start us off. So we lift, tap, then the knee comes in, and out. Again, lift, lower, squeeze, reach, lift, lower, squeeze, and reach. Inhale, exhale, reach it long. Keep your shoulders pressing down. Little lift, lower, crunch. Yes, lift, lower, crunch. Give me 2 more. Up, down, squeeze. Last one, let's go. Up, down, crunch, and reach. Amazing. All right, we are gonna head onto our backs now to do a little bit more traditional core work. So head on down and start with your upper body all the way flat. And then I want you to bring your legs into a tabletop. Take your hands and just press your palms into your head and let your head rest into those palms as your shoulders hover above the ground. You're gonna start by lowering, tap tap your right foot, lift it up, upper body curl, just an inch down. So you tap the right, lift. We're gonna stay on the right leg to start us off. So we tap down, we lift, curl it up, little drop. Tap, lift, curl. So the tap is activating your low abs. The curl is activating our upper abs. Lower, lift, keep your breath, exhale, little drop. You're gonna keep space between your chin and your chest as you curl. So that movement's coming from your abs and not a neck crunch. Up, give me 2 more on the right side. Tap, lift, curl, and lower. Last one. You got it, you guys. Now we're gonna switch right into that other side. Tap the left foot down, lift it up, upper curl. Exhale, down, tap, lift, curl, and lower. Inhale, exhale, up. Yes, just as much energy and focus on the second side. Little tap, lift up, squeeze, good. Tap, push your head into those palms. Feel how that changes your upper abs. Tap, lower, curl, lift. 2 more, tap, lower, curl, lift. Good, last one. Good, keep it up at the top. Both feet go. We tap the toes down. We lift the heels. Curl high, halfway down. Tap down, lift it up. Curl, lift, and lower. Keep your gaze up to the sky. After this set, I'm gonna give you a little rest. So hold on to that work. Lift and lower. If you need to slow it down, that's exactly what I want you to do. Giving your body that grace to build all of that strength. Give me 4 more. Exhale up. Good, here's your 3. I'm with you. Curl and lower. We have 2. Lift. Last one, let's go. Down and up. Curl, rest your head all the way down. Reach those arms over your head, take a baby stretch, shake it out. That was nice. All right, you guys, we're gonna just focus in on those low abs. For this next set, I want you to press your palms into the ground and send your legs straight, zip together, right up from your hips. Push your lower back into the ground. And we're gonna start just by lowering the legs down for 2 counts. And then you lift up for 2 counts. So when I say down, that doesn't mean we go all the way to the ground. I want you to go as low as you can where you feel that catch in your low abs, controlling that movement, and then slowly coming back up. We find the resistance down, we keep the resistance as we come up. Down for 2, lift for 2. Inhale and exhale. Keep that low back pushing into the floor. I have a big arch in my lower back, so it likes to come off the ground nice and easily. So I keep my range of motion just a little bit smaller so I can maintain that connection through my lower back and through my core. Give me 2 more all the way through. Exhale, lift. Last one, down. Exhale, lift. So good. Bring your knees into your chest. Shake it out. We're staying on our backs. We're just gonna switch it up and move into a little bit of oblique work. So we're gonna take your feet flat, right in line with your hips. Curl to lift your shoulders up. Reach past your hips so you're towards your toes. Just start by tapping side to side. Reach and reach. We're gonna keep this movement going for the next 45 seconds. So you can take it fast if you wanna burn it out, or if you wanna take it slow. It is your body, it is your workout. So do whatever feels nice and smooth. I'm gonna go a little faster. Get that heart rate up a little bit. Shoulders are pushing away from those ears. We keep that soft gaze up to the sky. Exhale. We've got this, 15 seconds left. So strong. Good. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Amazing. We're moving right along. Take that quick stretch, reach through your fingertips. This next section, excuse me, you're gonna start with your right leg. nice and long, and then your left arm over your head. So opposite arm is leg, and you have 2 movements. You can go ahead and take your right hand behind your head, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap our knee to our elbow, coming across the body. You send it long and down, and then you're gonna take the extended leg as you tap up. We lower down. Again, bend the knee, elbow, switch it up. We're saying same side, crunch, reach, lift, and drop. You got it. Twist, and reach. Little bend, and we reach. Twist, and we reach. Halfway there, twist, and reach. You got 4. 3 more, all the way through. Take it up. Last 2. Last one. Full extension. And release that head, that neck. Good work, you guys. We are gonna go right into that second side. So this time, send your left leg long, right arm long, hand behind the head. We start with the knee crunch across the body, extend, lift all the way up, and lower. Twist, lengthen, reach, lower. Yes, up. Try to avoid crunching your chin to your chest. Think lift rather than curl. Keep your breath. You've got this. Halfway there. Twist. Finish it proud. We're here for 4. Up. We're here for 3. Up. Final 2. Up. Last time. Curl. And reach. Yes, good job, you guys. All right, bring yourself all the way up to the top. We have 2 final sections left, and I'm gonna finish us in a nice juicy plank. So, first little set we're gonna do, we're gonna hold this plank for 45 seconds, but as we hold it, we're gonna take our feet slightly wider than our hips, and you're just gonna alternate tap your elbows. Here we go. Tap and tap. Lift and lift. Again, we're keeping our hips nice and quiet here. Soft gaze down to the ground. Lift and tap. And again, you can speed it up or slow it down, whatever you need to do. Keep breathing. Almost there, 15 seconds. You got it, hold on to that work. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop those knees, take a beat, roll out those wrists. Whew. All right, we are gonna do one last plank series to really just take us home. So I'm gonna show you what we're doing first, and then you can join me. So you're gonna come into a plank with those feet wide. You're gonna take your right hand, you're gonna lift your hips in pike as you reach for your left foot, and then you lower down, drop the hips, and then you switch sides. Left hand taps up, and lower down. Try it with me, here we go. It's up, tap, lower, squeeze. Lift those hips, lead with your low core here. Push up, lower down. Push up, lower down. You got this. Lift and drop. Lift. I want you to take 2 more each direction. Good. Lift. Final set. Give it all you got. Lift and drop. On this last one, hold your high plank, just freeze right here. Just 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right, you guys, that is our workout. 15 minutes of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to comment below. Tell me your favorite part, and we'll see you next time.